second income stream, passive income stream I want to talk about is selling books. Now, I'm a bestseller on Amazon for my book, Wealth and Fitness, The Keys to Self-Improvement, which is the picture in the back you see there. And my second book that I published, Wealth and Fitness, 10 Principles of Manhood, Lessons Your Father Should Have Taught You, which both is on Amazon.com right now. Links in the description. Check out my book if you're looking for fitness tips, finance tips. If you want to just improve your mindset and you want to improve your lifestyle, that's going to be a book for you. So in this course that I have coming out, which I'm going to give you kind of a high-level overview right now, my 11-step strategy, and from start to finish, how to write a book, how to sell your book, how to promote your book, and how to collect that bread from your fucking book. All right, so here's my 11-step strategy. The first step is to figure out what target audience wants and plans to meet those needs. So who's your target audience? Who are you writing your fucking book to? And what's the purpose of your book? The second step is to create the book. You want to do an outline, you want to compose the content, and then you want to edit and proofread it. The third step is that you want to obtain an ISBN number for your electronic book. You might need an ISBN for your ebook or your paperback or your ebook before designing it for sale. That's actually what I did, right? The ISBN stands for International Standard Book Number, and it's what booksellers and distributors use to distinguish your ebook from the competition. The fourth step is that you want to create your book. Now this entails the cover, the information page, the table of contents, your contact page, your author bio. Now you can include the copyright year, publication, any disclaimers or acknowledgments, primary sources that are listed in your image page. For example, in my book, I dedicated my book to my mother who passed away, and I have a picture of her in my Wealth and Fitness, Keys to Self-Improvement, and I did an acknowledgement and a dedicate the book to her. So that's something that you can include, right? So the next step, there are templates out there that you can use, or you can write it from scratch, right? That decision is made based upon your preferences and how confident you feel about making that decision. But you want to begin with writing a template. You want to look for a template that fits your material. You want to look for a template that kind of coincides with what the theme and the outline of your book and the content of your book. At a certain level, you want to create your book from the ground up, right? So, which means that a certain level of design experience is required for that. The formatting and using templates to kind of put together the design, right? So, that's all in the creation part and aspect of the book. Number 5, you want to create an eye-catching book cover. You want to create a smart, interesting book cover with the desired reader. Utilize persona in mind, using graphics that they will find appealing or relatable. Now, these aspects should be included in the cover design. You want to have the title of your book, subtitle of the book, the author of the book, the company brand or logo, right? So let me show you guys. This is my book. So this is my book, Wealth and Fitness, 10 Principles of Manhood, right? And you see that's myself and my 2 sons walking. So I actually got this book professionally done, and we put the picture of myself and my 2 sons, and it's 10 Principles of Manhood, Lessons Your Father Should Have Taught You. So this kind of coincides with me walking in my sons, and we moving forward in life, and I'm about to teach these motherfuckers about the 10 Principles of Manhood. So this is an example that I wanted to show you guys. And in the back here, this little corner right here is the ISBN number that you create, and you can go to Kindle Direct Publishing to get your ebook design. Okay, so let's get back to the steps, right? Number 6 is that you want to get your ebook and you want to publish it, right? You'll need to have your book ready for sale once you're sure it's ready to publish. Refer to the section that I was talking about above of the type of ebook file. So for an example, when I got my book done, I had to get it formatted. So I work with a book editing company to put the book in a format, and then I uploaded on Kindle Direct Publishing. I got the ISBN number, and when you upload like your files, it tells you the margins, it tells you the dimensions. So in that process, it will help you, with that, right? So number 7, you want to set the price for your book. Now, when you set the price for your book, if you work really hard, you got a lot of content, and it's good information to share, I suggest that you do your research. You go on Amazon, You look at your category, you put your keywords and the genres of your book and see what other people are pricing their books. And you might want to put a middle range, with that. If you guys go to Amazon.com, you'll see the price that I have on my book. And that's because the competition either sets their price higher or in or around that price. And my book sells, so take that into consideration, right? The next step is you want to publicize your book, right? So you want to promote it, and you want to be able to work with promote on social media. You want to be able to put a Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media platform. If you got an email follower list and you want to promote your emails, you want to be able to do that. You want to keep track of your book sales. That's the next step, because you want to monitor if you need to drop the price, if you need to increase the price, and you just want to see and look at how you're promoting your book and how that's driving sales to your book. And the last step is, which I think is the most important, is that you want to take care of your readers, and you want to thank them for supporting you, right?